before his birthday. Kaya positive ako. At naniniwala ako na the God we worship is a God of justice. I know He will give it to Ruel. I can feel it in my heart. He'll give it to Ruel. Nag-pray talaga ako. Sabi ko, we have been longing for this for so long. And thank you for being a God of justice. Talagang alam ko na we are praying to a God of justice and that what happened to Ruel is something talaga na dapat may hustisya. So, it's an answered prayer and wala kami, even until now, talagang happy kami. We're happy na nangyayari na. No? It's beginning to happen. And mas lalo akong naniniwala at tumitibay yung aking paniniwala that justice will be ours. Talagang makukuha natin ito for our loved ones. So, I have a lot of people to thank for, no? Unang-una, the entire province of Negros Oriental prayed with us, sympathized with us. They were there for us, assuring us na talagang sila, they condemn what happened to the governor. Tapos, we have our government officials to thank for. Si President PBBM is a man of very few words, pero naniniwala ako na he's a man of wisdom. Minsan kasi pag yung leader, nasishaken siya sa mga political happenings kasi connected rin yan sila Teves eh. Pero hindi natitinag dahil ginagawa what has to be done kahit hindi maraming sinasabi. I really appreciate that our president is a wise man, no? A man bestowed with wisdom. The same is true for our DOJ secretary. Nangyayari, may proseso, nangyayari yung proseso, and nakikita natin yung result. Of course, I would also like to say thank you to Speaker Martin. Being able to remove Arnie from the congressional district of the 3rd District of Negros Oriental was really a light that started to give us some sort of peace, no? Yung siguro, imagine kung hindi siya natanggal, people will still be afraid, people will still not be as open as they are now, lalong-lalo na sa mga usaping ganito. With the capture of Arnie, mas lalong-lalo na kung makapture pa rin yung iba, talagang a lot of people will come out in the open and will really have their stories to tell too. Kasi si Governor is just one of the many victims eh. May mga nauna pa before Ruel na karapat-dapat ding bigyan ng justice. And with being able to capture these people behind the murder of so many people in Negros Oriental, sa paniniwala ko, mas marami pa talaga ang lalabas. I do not want to complain because I also understand the process. Sa due process nga, nung una, ang ganda ng theory eh. When you talk of due process, talagang wala talagang semblance of being biased when you put a person to or when you point your finger to a person who committed a crime. Pero ang downside nun, yung proseso maganda, pero yung takbo ng pangyayari, yun yung medyo mabagal. The process na we have to really wait upon. Pero ngayon that is really happening, masasabi ko pa rin na talagang we have to thank our government. Kasi kung hindi rin strong-willed yung ating leaders in the different agencies of the government, mahirap din kalaban ito sila Arnie Teves. When you are the kind who bullies a president, may hinuhugutan ka ng iyong strength. No? So meaning they know that they are connected, they know that they have the capacity, but I am glad that we have leaders who are not afraid to do the work that they do. Ginagawa nila yung oath nila. No? Kahit paminsan magiging unpopular sila kasi babatuhin sila ng intriga, babatuhin sila ng everything being done and yung mga ini-issue sa kanila na unfair, no? Talaga. So, I salute them and I thank them. Kaya nga, yun lang talaga masasabi ko kay President and to the different leaders of the different agencies that I will always include you in our prayers. We need you in our fight for justice.
For the seat of
Yes, I am considering to run for higher office we are in the middle of talks, no? Yun nga yung unity that they would want us to have. And parang okay din siya, maganda din naman yung napag-uusapan namin. Most especially since pag talagang hindi nag-succeed at na-remove yung those people whose approach to election is always, kung hindi ka buboto, papatayin ka, tatakutin ka, iti-threaten ka. Pag nawala itong ganito, sa tingin ko naman, peaceful people rin yung ibang kalaban namin. Unfair din pag sinabi mo, kasi kalaban mo, hindi sila peaceful. Ako, I recognize na kahit yung mga kalaban naming iba, they are peaceful people. Pero these people here in the 3rd District, they're really causing heartaches to a lot of people. Kaya sana tama yung magiging desisyon ng tao when the time comes na pipili sila.